it's Charlotte.
Hi, Angelina. And welcome to our Hawaii vlog.
We're going to be taking you around with us all this week and just showing you around in Kauai.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of adventures and fun. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Pulled up at the skirt, am I right?
Let's go in.
And then this is when it will cut to music. And then it's like, oh.
Welcome back.
It's official.
We made it.
We made it.
Okay, story time.
Story time.
So we got to the airport, right? We landed.
Wait, we gotta do a thumbnail.
Okay, so we got to the airport and we landed, and then their dad went and got the car, and he comes back and we're like, so is this our car? And he's like, well, I didn't know. I kind of just got in a car and drove away. So we basically just stole a car.
Like, oh my god, like how does that even like happen?
This could be the Did we make it or not?
Dramatic.
In the gift shop area, just like looking around, but we have no clue what's going on, and it's really weird. And my leg fell apart, so I'm gonna sue the hotel that gave it to me. But that's another story. We'll get into that on our next story time. We'll see. Cause that noises, and then it's pretty at the end.
Hawaii. We found the exact necklace that Maui wears in Moana.
It's that one.
How
do I look? Let's go look in the mirror. Oh, there's one right here.
How are you feeling right now? Dehydrated.
I'm feeling very tropical.
What does the magic of Hawaii sound like? See, I am Moana.
So we're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna get some great food. Yeah.
Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to day 2 of the Hawaii vlog. Everybody, tell them what we're doing right now.
So
we're about to go to the gym, you know, hit that grind.
Nike sneakers. Yeah, they're blue.
Ooh.
Yeah. Then I got some Lululemon running shorts on. They're pink, you know, just for a fun splash of color. Then up here I have my Lululemon tank top sports bra built-in top thing. And it has a little crossy thing in the back. And it's really great. So this is my Lululemon outfit.
Welcome to my OOTD. First I got these super sick Asics. Ooh. Then I got these athletic shorts from none other than Target. And then this wonderful Garfield t-shirt. I'm wearing this sports bra from Victoria's Secret. And then my leggings from Lululemon. Okay, we'll catch you guys in the gym. We just got
hit
back
that
from the gym.
grind.
Just hit that grind.
I worked out the most.
Charlotte just took 5 hours on her butt, and we didn't do butt today. That's all that happened. Hey, guys.
We're just laughing at you.
I'm sizzling.
Eggs in the
We're making breakfast right now after just working out.
Myself 2 sunny-side up eggs. Already ate one of them. We're eating some mango, some toast. We got this wonderful little kitchen.
I have mango stuck in my teeth. I'm making scrambled eggs. And I have toast. And yeah. Hey, chicka 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 chicken. Its name should be Chick, the chicken.
Hey guys, we're at the helicopter place.
Yeah, we're about to get on. Oh, there's a bug on my nose. Did you see that?
No.
We're about to go in a helicopter. We just got weight on mats and everything to make sure we don't like sink the helicopter.
We're at Blue Hawaiian Helicopters right now. Let me try and get a little view. But yeah, we're really excited. We'll vlog a bit more when we're in the helicopter. I'm sorry, I made that face because I thought someone was stealing my backpack, but they just have the same exact backpack as me. I'm really sad because my hair is too short, so like the braids are like falling out in certain places. I don't know why I just did that.
Oh, you just pulled it out more.
Yeah, I know. We just got off the helicopter. We're eating dinner. We're eating lunch now. We're at a pizza place, and I'm drinking a root beer.
Me as well.
And we ordered some pizza
And garlic bread.
and salad. We need to edit this like really well with like all cool effects
Throw in an explosion right here.
to show you our skills.
Wait, we need to do a thumbnail for the helicopter.
Oh.
And the caption will be like, helicopter crash? Question mark.
I'm gonna go get them.
Now we're at Leyte State Park.
Let's see what it looks like, guys.
And it has a protected reef over there where you can like swim in. And I think we might snorkel. We're gonna get our snorkel gear. How do you feel about this?
I feel like I'm really full of
I'm
pizza.
pretty excited to snork.
Yeah.
Snork time?
Who has a
Time for
towel
snork.
that's